Hi, John McCann from Survivor Resources. I'm going to do a real quick video today on a quick-release bowline knot. Now, I've seen the bowline used a lot, and I've seen it taught a lot how to tie it, but I've never seen anyone show the quick-release way in which to tie the knot. I'm not saying it hasn't been done before, I'm just saying I haven't seen it. The idea of a bowline is also often used to secure one end of a rope to like a tree. Oftentimes this is used for your first start when you're going to do a ridge line. You attach the rope or secure the rope to the tree using the bowline. Let's go ahead and show how to do this, and we'll let you go. Okay, as you can see, I've come around the tree. This would be the tree I would be using for the ridge line, to hold the ridge line. Now, to do the normal bowline, you would go make a loop like this. I teach this way we learned in Boy Scouts many years ago by my father, probably 100 years ago. On this end, the tag end, you come up, the rabbit comes up through the hole. This is the rabbit, goes around the tree and goes back into the hole. This would be your normal bowline. Okay? The only difference we're going to do is when we make our loop, the rabbit's going to come up out of the hole. It's going to go around the tree, jump into the hole. But before we tighten down the knot, the rabbit's going to stick his head back up through the hole. Now there's a quick release bowline. The advantage of this is when, after a lot of tension on this, while you have a ridge line or something like that up, when you want to get rid of this knot, what you is pull the tag end or the head of the rabbit, and the knot comes undone. Well, there you have it, a quick release bowline that can be tied very quickly and untied even faster. Thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate all your support, for following our videos and our store at survivalresources.com, and we'll see you next time around.